This is the family techniques. So this is the chart for family technique. It runs from 1 up until 10. So we call the first line the families of 1. We call this line the families of 1, families of 2, families of 3, and this one's the families of 10 or the families of 0. So that's how we understand this chart. So this one seems easy to memorize since it starts from 1 up until 10. It's unlike the color chart one. So I will demonstrate to you that also results or lottery results may contain one of these. Actually, it forms part of every result. It's a must to have such families, depending on how many number per family. But all the lottery results will be made up of certain families. So let's see it. So here I have 3 results, the 19th and the 20th and the 21st of December results. This one I extracted from UK 49. So we'll start with the first results, which is from the 19th. We'll analyze them together, see if whether we have certain families. So we'll start with this one. We have 43. Let me increase the size. Okay. We have 43 and 23, including 13. You can see this is the families of 3, like I've mentioned, and we have okay. Seems we don't have any families. Let's go to the tea time results. We can see we have a 45 and a 5. This form part of families of 5. And we have 8, 48, 18, and 28. So we have 3 numbers from this family. This one is families of 8. Then let's go to the results on the 20th, which is a lunchtime. Let's see if we have common families. Okay, we can see we have 30 and 40, which is families of 10s or families of 0. Doesn't matter how you call it. And then we go to the tea time on the 20th. We can see we have 3 and 13, which is families of 3 again. And then we don't have any other family on the same row. Let's go to the 21st of December, the lunchtime results. All right. I can see we have a 29 and a 39. This is families of 9. And we also have a 2 and 22, which is a families of what? A families of 2. And then we go to the tea time results. I can see we have 29 and 49. This is a families of 9. And then do you have anything else? No. So this is how families of numbers work.